If you're looking to increase your watch hour, then you should start going live. If you can't go full live, maybe you don't want your face to show, or you don't want people to see you, or you don't have time to show your full face, you can start going silent live. Okay, silent live stream can increase your watch hour so fast. It's as similar as doing a full live stream. There is no difference in it. All you have to do is just to put your camera, to do the necessary setup, and the only difference is that your face won't show, but it will still accumulate enough watch hours for you to monetize your YouTube account. Okay, I'm going to show you how to stream silent live using Restream, which is very easy to navigate on this video. I'm going to show you how to stream a silent live stream using the Restream app, and it is so easy to navigate. So I urge you to follow through the process in this tutorial, as I'm going to be showing you the step-by-step way and the easy way to stream live using Restream app. Okay, so follow through this process and let's get into the video. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to be using my phone to show you how to do it, because I'll be following through the process also. So the first thing we are going to do now is to head over to the browser. So if you're using an Android phone, you can go to your Chrome. If you're using an iPhone, you can go to your Safari. So all of them are still the same. So go to your browser and type restream.io. So, and when you type restream.io, the Restream website will pop up. When it comes up, you click on get started and sign in using your email address. Okay, so you're going to sign in using your email address now, then enter the password of your choice. So once you're done creating an account, you go to your email and confirm your email address. Okay, so once you confirm the link sent to you, you're going to proceed to the next step. So after that, you go back to your Restream. You go back to the Restream and you're going to choose how you'll be streaming your live, your silent live. So I will choose myself because it's only me that is going to be streaming on this Restream website. So you're going to choose yourself. Don't choose a team because you're streaming only you. Okay, so select the type of content you create and go to the next. So I choose other because I don't know what to input there. So they have a paid version and a free version, but for the sake of this tutorial, we are using the free version. The free version allows you to do anything, just literally anything. So you're going to use the free version. So after choosing the free version, the next thing you're going to click is you're going to click on next. Once you click on next, you're going to link your YouTube channel. You have to link your YouTube channel because it's going to make your streaming so easy for you. So click on connect channel or add destination. So for this destination, we'll choose YouTube and use the email address linked to your YouTube account. That's what you're going to use here. So use the email address linked to your YouTube account and allow access. So once you do this, it's going to connect automatically. So once you do that, you'll enter the title you want to be showing on your live stream each time you want to stream. You can equally change this at any time. So but for now, you're going to choose the title we want to use to stream this time around. So you choose your content type too. So we have so many options to stream. You can stream a pre-recorded video. You can also schedule your live stream. Okay, so it has so many options. So for the sake of this silent live, we'll stream using Stream with Studio. So once you click on Stream with Studio, it will allow you access to your camera and your microphone. But after that, you will mute it to remove the background noise from your surroundings, since we are doing silent live, except if you want to talk. Okay, this is where you add your picture that will display, but it is optional. So after which you click on Enter Studio. So but since our face is not going to be showing, you have to add a video. So it could be anything. So I choose my video. Make sure you don't have something that has music on it because of copyright infringement. So you don't have to collect copyright strike. So if it has something with music, you have to mute it. Okay, so click on add scene and choose media. So this is going to pop up. Then tap the add source whatever and choose video, then click on upload video. So select a video from your library. So it could be anything without a sound to avoid copyright. So after the video has uploaded, it will appear this way. So you can unmute your mic if the video doesn't have any sound and you want to be communicating with your audience in the background. So but I choose to mute because I don't have anything to say yet. So there is also a chat box where you can chat with people and get to see what they are saying and communicate with. You can also use your chat box to communicate with people. So click on the button here to loop the video. What loop means is that you want the video to be repeating itself. So if it's a 15-minute video, because which is the maximum video you have to select, you have to loop it so that after playing it will repeat again, after playing it will repeat again, after playing it will repeat again until you want to end the live stream. So you're going to loop the video. This will enable the video to continue playing in the background without end, so until you choose to end the live stream. Okay, so if you have a guest, this is where you go to chat to communicate with yourself without the audience seeing it. So there is also an option for music from the app. So you can check if there is copyright free music in the app for you to choose. Okay, then click on go live so you can start streaming. Okay, remember you are trying to increase our watch hours, so this is the only thing you're going to do if you want to increase your watch hours so quick. So click on go live so you can start streaming. Then just like I did now, you have seen it. So someone just joined and said something, so this is how it's going to look when people are watching it. Okay, after streaming you can end your live. Instead of waiting to post a long video that is going to accumulate that 4,000 watch hour for you, you can actually go silent live for you to increase your watch hour so quick. So since I started streaming live, doing silent live, my watch hour, there is a significant change in it, and it's going up so high. So this is another chance for you to increase your watch hour without having to stress yourself to do long form video. No, it doesn't mean that you don't have to post long form video. You can still post long form video, but this will enable you monetize quickly and get your watch hours so fast, because we are looking for ways on how to make things easy for us. Okay, because this YouTube street is so hard and tough. Okay, so you can utilize this opportunity and increase your watch hour so quick on YouTube. So that is just it. So you just have to follow this tutorial diligently and learn how to stream silent live. So in everything you're doing, don't make sure you don't get copyright strike. So avoid musics for now. If you have to use any music on your video or your live stream, you make sure you have to check it very well to see if there is any copyright on it. Okay, so this is the end of this tutorial, and I hope this helps. Okay, so if you have not subscribed to the channel, this is an opportunity for you to subscribe and also like this video if it was beneficial to you, and also drop a comment in the comment section, and I would like to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.